Hello people, today we will look about how to fix IMS services has stopped. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it, let's go. IMS stands for IP Multimedia Subsystem and it is a service that helps out your software, which is Android, to work with communication apps of carriers without much hassle. The app is playing a big role. When the IMS service error occurs, your screen will show you a message. Unfortunately, IMS services has stopped. The error occurs in Android devices in general, although there is a higher incidence in it among Samsung users, and the error message reveals itself whenever the user attempts a call or a message. Solution 1. Updating your device software. For this, go to your phone menu and then select the settings. When all the options on settings appear, scroll down and then choose Software Update option. After that, you will be able to see an option called Check for Updates. Choose it. If you have an updated available, then you have to download it immediately. So, choose Download Now. After your device is all done downloading the install file, it will likely ask for permission to begin the installation. Solution 2. Updating individual applications. For this, go to phone menu and then look around for Google Play Store. Open it once you see it. After this, tap on the profile menu and then click on Manage Apps and Device. In this, you will find an option of updates available. Click on it, and after this, you can find all the unupdated apps. Click on Update to easily update them. Solution 3. Deleting cache. Get to the menu and then go to the Settings app. After this, you will find the option of Application and Permission. Click on it. After this, tap on App Manager. You will see list of all the apps. Click on the messages. Sometimes you have to choose from the system app or all apps. Then click on internal storage. After this, tap on clear data or clear cache. Solution 4. Do factory reset of your mobile. For this, press the power button for a while. Then you will see two options, power off and reset. Click on the reset option. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.